Welcome back. In this segment we are going to be working on condensed printing. If you will select a file and go back into your editor, and at the top of your toolbar click on the word File in the upper left corner and then select Print Condensed. This is our condensed printing format window. What you will need to do is you will need to figure how large of a top margin you want and the size of your left margin. You will also need to determine the size of your bottom and your right margin, and also your gutter area and notes area. Now, what this will do, if you want to leave a notes area for your attorney, you can set this, and I'm going to set this for a ½ inch right now, and if you will notice up here it's showing you that I now have an area about ½ inch in size between the top two pages and the bottom two pages. This will allow your attorney to make brief notes. You can also set a gutter area for your attorney, and when you do that you will notice that the gutter area that he has around the transcript can be used to also place notes. So you may want to play with this a little bit just in case you need to do that in the future. If you do add a notes area or a gutter area, it can change the formatting of your top, bottom, left, and right margins. Now, the other thing you want to do is you have the option of having a header printed up to 3 lines. You also have a footer possibility of up to 3 lines. All you need to do is type into the footer or header area exactly what you would like to see and put a check mark where it says Print Footer. You can also have all pages print in condensed, or you can tell the system from what page to what page you would like to have printed. You can set your number of copies for the condensed. You can also set the page order. If you select on the right side, the pages will print from left to right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you do downward, they will print 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can also use a different font if you would care to when you're doing your condensed. I am using my same font as I do in my transcript. You can also have your questions, your answers bolded, and also your colloquy. You can set it to print in all uppercase if you would like. Now, magnify and expand by. What magnify does is it takes the font size and it will magnify the size ever so slightly as you select a higher number. The expand by will place a small amount of space in between each word. So as you go up, number 1 is normal spacing. But if you go up to 2, it's going to place a little bit more space in between each letter and word. Once you have set all of your settings and you click Save, you can go to Preview, and you can preview what it is going to look like. This is a preview of my condensed page. Now, up here, yours is probably set to fitted, which makes it very, very small to look at. But so that you can see it better, you may want to take it to 75 or 100%. You can scroll down through the pages and take a look at how everything is being set up on the page. And here is my footer. So this is what your condensed printing will look like. If you want to go back to the format for condensed area, just click on the close button. When you're ready to print, all you need to do is click on the print button and your condensed pages will start to print. That is all there is to condensed printing in your Winner software. I will be back in a moment to discuss batch printing. See you soon.